Ever wondered if you can build an app without writing a line of code? It sounds impossible, but with AI, anyone, regardless of technical expertise, can create functional apps. Whether you're an entrepreneur who wants to automate your business, or just someone curious about how technology works, there are clear and easy-to-understand solutions to building apps without having to learn to code. In this video, you'll discover how no-code platforms, along with AI, are opening this door to innovation for everyone. More and more people are searching YouTube for questions like how to create a no-code app or how to use AI to automate tasks. The answer to these questions lies in no-code tools and AI that add more automated intelligence to these platforms. Once you understand how it works, the process becomes extremely simple and intuitive. Platforms such as Bubble, Make, formerly known as Integromat, and Zapier are just a few examples that facilitate this process. Bubble, for example, is one of the most popular platforms for those who want to create functional web apps without writing a line of code. Think of it as a visual design platform where you drag and drop elements to build the interface, and the logic behind the app is handled without a single line of code. AI built into the platform can help you optimize workflows and give you suggestions on how to make your app work more efficiently. Take the example of an entrepreneur who created an event management app in less than 2 days. Using the AI in Bubble, the app automatically suggests best practices for guest management and optimizes the user experience as events grow in size. Make, on the other hand, is an automation-focused platform, great for connecting and coordinating different apps and online services. Its built-in AI tools allow you to automate complex tasks across platforms like Google Sheets, Gmail, or Slack. For example, if you manage an online store and want to automate the process of shipping orders, Make can automatically retrieve all the necessary data and send it to the courier service. This greatly simplifies the process, reducing manual labor time and the possibility of errors. One online store owner was able to save time and resources by using this platform, and the AI helped to automatically manage all the details of an order. Another platform that is very popular among those who want to automate repetitive tasks is Zapier. It uses a simple system of, if this happens, then do that, IFTTT rules. But with the help of AI, you can create complex and efficient workflows. For example, if you're managing a sales team, you can use Zapier to automatically capture all leads generated through online forms and send personalized follow-up messages. A practical example is the case of a marketing agency that automated all customer communication, saving precious hours of work every week. Zapier's built-in AI allowed them to build complex workflows without the need for an IT specialist. When thinking about choosing an AI platform to build an app, the first step is to clarify your needs. If you want a complex app with extensive functionality and visual customizations, Bubble is the perfect choice. On the other hand, if you want to automate specific and repetitive tasks, such as sending emails or managing a workflow between different services, Make or Zapier are great solutions. It's also important to understand that regardless of platform, AI will give you an extra level of intelligence and efficiency, allowing you to build faster and better. These platforms are part of a technological revolution, democratizing access to software development. What was once accessible only to programming experts is now within everyone's reach. You no longer have to spend years learning to code to turn your ideas into reality. Whether you want to build an app for your business, automate everyday processes, or simply explore the potential of AI, no-code platforms like Bubble, Make, and Zapier give you all the resources you need to do so. Whatever your level of experience, these AI solutions can help you save time, money, and resources. By eliminating the need to learn to code you can focus on what's really important, bringing your ideas to life. Whether you want to create a time management app, automate workflows in an online store, or optimize your marketing strategy, AI is here to make the process simpler, faster, and more efficient. In conclusion, AI combined with no-code platforms has radically changed the way we develop apps and manage our day-to-day tasks. Instead of being daunted by technical complexity, you can now use these intuitive tools to create innovative solutions without a single line of code. AI does the work for you, optimizing every step of the process and giving you smart suggestions that help you reach your goals faster than ever before. So the future of app development no longer belongs to programmers alone, but to everyone who wants to innovate.